What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today I have with me again, it's
JoJo.
It's JoJo, man. We're down here at West Palms area with a bunch of just super yachts. I don't think they're super yachts, but they are yachts. Nevertheless, it's a nice little walkway here. It's going to be absolutely awesome. She's in this dress right here, orange, which is absolutely going to make a pop because as you can see, it's nothing but greenery around us. So it's going to be really, really dope. Like I said, it's a nice little sky right behind us with a nice little some building landscape. We're going to use that, this walkway, into this grass. So I hope this is going to be a really good video. I'm going to use my wide angle reflector with my flash today. And yeah, I think that's, what else are we going to do?
We're gonna just survive this weather, but we're gonna kill it again.
Yeah, the rain is, this fucking weather's weird. We need to hurry up before it starts raining again.
Look,
yeah, there's a cloud right there. Okay, all right, yeah, we need to get ready before it starts raining again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, test shot. Let me see. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Hold that again for me. 1, 2, and 3. Need some more? Yep, just like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Oh. Thank you. All right. It could be J-Lo. That's heavy right here. We can't get you more in the center this time, so I can get more of that palm trees and stuff back there. Yeah. Good job, JoJo. Good job. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And really cross your legs. Yeah, just like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh my god.
All right, let's see what the live's talking about.
Woo.
2 people in the live. What's up, guys? I'm gonna have you here because I'm gonna try to put a shot down. I'm gonna try to shoot with these boats and stuff right here. So let's try to have you here. Just change my positioning, guys, because I want to try to get some of the boat and all this other stuff behind her. So I'm just trying to get a different.
Here.
All right, let's do it again. Go ahead, do it again. Good job. All right. Yep. Like that. Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my god.
All right, come here. Right there. No. Come back over. Right there. Yeah. Okay. I can do something with that. Look at that cloud, though. You see those clouds coming? Yeah, we gotta hurry. Hey guys, we gotta hurry up and get done. So I gotta make this quick, man, because you see them fucking clouds over there? Like, we just avoided the rain not too long ago. So I ain't trying to get rained on again when we just got out here.
Yes.
All right, JoJo, we gotta make this quick because I feel like that rain is gonna hit us again. Yep, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Like that. Ain't gonna hold that. Good. I like that. Look at me. Yep. All right, come right here. Right there, scoot back just right there, yeah. Scoot back a tad bit, right there. Come over, Tab. Oh yeah, right there. Now turn your body. Just like that. Look at me. Shit, come over more. Come on more. Right there. I gotta get cause my stuff is all behind you. Okay. Yep. Good job. Good job. Hey, stay right there and just pose out. Just pose out real quick. Yeah, go ahead. Keep on going. Do your poses. Hurry up. Yep. 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 It's coming. Here, do me a favor. No, just take. All right. Have you start over here. I'm just gonna have you just walk kind of at this diagonal, so from this driveway to that driveway. Keep walking. Walk it. Walk diagonal straight to this line. There you go. Yep. Go. Walk right in front of me. There you go. Walk right past me. All right.
That is unbelievable. Look at them shoes.
So act like you. So act like you're gonna. No, act like you're gonna walk there. So I can get it. Take a couple steps back, and then I want you a natural walk. But I just want you to naturally walk. I'm just gonna catch it. Yeah, and look towards and look at me when you walk. Go. Stop. Do it again. Let me scoot back a tad bit. Okay. Go. Stop. Do it again. Let me scoot back. Hang on. Go. Stop.